Hello guys, welcome to a new video. This is my first video, so if there are any problems, please comment down below. Alright, so this video we're going to learn how to make a ping pong game. So in a cool game flag, you're going to have a score, you have a paddle, and there'll be points and health. So when you touch the red line, it's going to lose a life. Alright, so let's get to it. So firstly, you need to make a new project in Scratch. I'm going to name this one Ping Pong. Alright, so first we need a paddle and a ball. So go to your sprite library and pick up a ball sprite. Now you can choose any ball, but I'm going to choose a baseball. Should learn. Alright, now we're going to take another sprite. These are choosable or drawable, so it's your choice here. We're going to take a paddle. Now there's one paddle in Scratch that I know of, only one. But if you don't like the color, you can change it to a different paddle. First, yeah, here's the sprite. Alright, so we've got the paddle. We're going to put it right here. To the ball. It's going to move and hit the wall and move in different directions. Alright, so firstly we're going to need to move the paddle left and right. So you can either choose arrow keys or mouse. So I'm going to do mouse on this one. My other ping pong game was arrow keys. As you can see, I'm not using my mouse. But this one I'm going to think of using the arrow keys, not the arrow keys. We're going to be using a mouse. So when green flag is clicked, so when this button is clicked, we are going to take a forever loop, touch it under. We're going to go to motions, and we're going to set it every time of the mouse X. So what this does is we're going to set it every time. Let me show you. It's going to follow my mouse only in X. But if I add a set Y to this, and you did mouse Y, it'll follow your mouse. But we're not going to do that this time, so we're just only going to put it here. And you can position the paddle wherever you want. I'm going to position it at the bottom. You can put it on the side, changing its angle. Now you can choose it. So like instead of set to X, you can do it to motion, set Y. Now it's like this. So I'm going to do the other way around. So we're going to change this back into 90. So bring this here. Alright, so now is the ball here. Now we're done the paddle movement. We're going to go to the ball or the baseball. We're going to press the go to events, take green flag, clicked, whatever. So what this is going to do? Go to motions, point in direction. It can be random. You can put it random, but I'm going to put it a fixed length at 45, and we're going to move 10 steps. Yeah, we're going to move 10 steps in that direction. Then if on edge, we're going to bounce. So we're going to go to controls, click a wait seconds, and we're going to do 0.5. Alright, so let's see this in action. Yeah, that's working. But it's not going to hit the paddle. Now that we're going to fix. Alright, so we're going to throw this away. Actually, okay, fine. So now we're going to hit the paddle. So we're going to take another green flag, click. Remove this. Take a forever loop. Take an F. So if you're going to touch the paddle, we are going to turn by 180 degrees and we're going to move 10 steps. So that's when we're touching the paddle. So let's see if this works. So now we're ready. Take my pitch, come back. Alright, so it's working pretty fine now. I'm going to add a backdrop really quick because it's really hard to see the ball. Take a little time for it'll come. What? Doesn't come. Yeah, here it is. We're at a baseball stadium now. Now, if you want, you can put a crowd cheering noise in the background. But I'm not. Alright, so because I don't have system audio, I'm not going to do that. We'll start the program. Now, we're going to add a score. Now, for the score, we're going to create a new variable. The variable is called score. Now, you can call the variable whatever you want, because only the variable part is important. I can even use my variable for the score. But I'm not going to make it an individual variable. So I'm going to delete my variable. So I'm going to go to the top of this, of the touching paddle part. I'm going to set score to 0. So if it touches the paddle, we're going to change score by 1. So I'm going to increase the score by 1. So let's see if this works. So, see, the score is increasing. Alright, let's start the program. We're going to large it out. So it's working. The score is working. Now we need something to decrease the score. That's where a boundary comes in. And there's no boundary in individual spreads, so we're going to make one. We're going to use a line. I'm going to increase it about 20. Make this red in case it's dangerous. We're going to go from one end. Press shift to make it straight line. End to end, and we got a line. So now we're going to move this line end of this line. Alright, so now we're going to do something. We're going to take this part, a little easier for me, and so we're going to remove all this stuff. Set score, change score. We're only going to keep the set score part. We're going to remove set score part as well. So we're going to add when these are clicked forever, if touching paddle, if not paddle but the baseball, we are going to change score by -1. Then we're going to wait 0.2 seconds. 2 seconds. Let's try it again. So start changing back. It increased. Now wait, it decreased. Alright, so we've done this part now. Now we'll create it so that there'll be hearts and lives. Alright, so let's start off in the baseball. We're going to create a new variable. Make a variable. We're going to help. Let's show it lives. Alright, so now lives is going to be the number of lives. So we'll create a new, I'm going to choose a new sprite. It'll be the hearts variable. Hearts sprite, sorry. Heart. This heart. I need to choose this heart because it's a little nicer. We'll take the costumes. You're going to if you want to delete that, but you can choose any color if you want. Now we're going to zoom out. Go to the cursor, copy, paste again. Now we're going to remove this and then we're going to arrange them in order. Straight, dignified order. It doesn't be straight and dignified, but that's really in a little order so that they understand. We're going to take a white. This is just to snatch it up a little. We're going to give it a little curve into that. Just a little bit. Doesn't look that great. Oh no, this is not right. Right, only. Go go over here. No. We're going to put it right. Alright. So now we're going to go to paint brushes. We're going to add a little 3D effect. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to look a little bit 3D. To make it a little cool. Oh, I'm so bad at drawing. Alright, so this is the best I could do. I'm going to duplicate this. So you're going to make 4. Yeah, now we're working. Made. Come on. Alright, 4. We're going to do this. Now we're going to take a cursor. Now a fill 1 with white in the first one. Fill 2 in white with the second one. And the third one, we're going to fill all of them white. 3 hearts, 2 hearts, 1 heart, 0 lights left, so you're out. So now, we're going to go here. We're going to take the green flag. We're going to go to variables and set lives to 3. Not to 0, to 3. Shrink this to about 2. And it's about top here. Top. Alright, so the lives are here. Hide these lives, this live variable. I'm just going to, this is just for reference. Slice to 3. So for our loop, we're going to have 4. We're going to have 3 lives. So we're going to take an operator. So if this is equals to, we're going to take the equals to operator. Add it to all the if statements. So we're going to go to variables. We're going to add lives. This might look a little complicated. But trust me, it's not that hard. Alright, so we're going to put 3. So if it's equal to 3, it is equal to 2, it's equal to 1, and if it's equal to 0. Now, we're going to go to looks. So if it's equal to 3, we're going to show the first sprite, which is all 3 hearts. It's equal to 2. 10, you're going to show 2 hearts. It's equal to 1, we're only going to show 1 heart. The third sprite, third costume. The last one, we're going to take this, we're going to put the last one, and we're going to go to controls, go down, take a stop all. And just before that stop all, we're going to create a new stage. Backdrop. Now additionally put 2, because the first one, we'll take a text, add, game over. Game over. Change the pixel, the most nastier. Change the color to red. And we're going to create a big sign. Show that you lost. Let's literally baseball too. So now we're going to go to the heart section. Looks. And we're going to go to switch backdrop to backdrop baseball too. And so now at the beginning, don't remember that we have to have the first one, not game over. So we're going to switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So baseball 1. So we're going to try it now. Oh wait, forgot. So now nothing is happening here. That's because we're going to go to here and we're going to change the variable lives by -1. Again, minus. So we're going to play again. Here it hits. So let it hit the ground. Okay. Alright, so lost life. That's 2 lives. It's going to live another life. 3 lives. Game over. Alright, so you can see the 3 lost. So we're going to hide it. Save. I'm going to share this. And don't copy it. You can look at the code. I'm sharing it. It's called ping pong. Alright, thank you guys for watching. These are 2 different games. I haven't uploaded this one. I only uploaded this one. So you can take a sneak peek. Also, I'll share this one. Take a sneak peek at both of them. Hope you have a nice day, and bye.